We are going to look at repeated addition today. Today we are going to learn about addition, repeated addition, and we're going to read a few number words. Are you ready? Let's go. Can you count with me and say the word? Let's see if we can count first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the word is 6. Well done. Let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And the word is 9. Let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the word is 5. Very good. Count again with me and say the word. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the word is 8. Right. Now we're going to start with the more interesting and the new lesson. Let's see. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the sum says you mustn't say 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. You see there in little groups. So the sum is 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 6. And so if we do this little thing here, I just want to change my color. So we put them in little groups of 2 and 2 and 2. And then we can say 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 6. And that is what repeated addition is about. We put them together in groups. Look at another one. We first count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And the repeated addition sum says 3 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to 9. But how do we know that? Because we can put them in groups. So we say 3 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to 9. Good. Look at another one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we say 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 5. And we can see it's one little group. 1 and 1 and 1 and 1. All of them separate is equal to 5. Good. We'll do one more. 1, 2. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, and the sum is 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 8. And we can see they've been put into little groups of 2's. So we go 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 8. Good. So if your teacher says this is the sum, 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, then you know you must put them into little groups of 2. So there's 2 in that group, and 2 in this group, and 2 in that group, and 2 in that group. And then you can say 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 8. Now I have 3 little circles. And inside the circles, I am putting all those little things in. So now can you tell me what's the sum? What is the sum, boys and girls? Yes, it's 2 plus 2 plus 2. And there we go. 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 6. And there's a special way that we read that. We say there are 3 groups of 2. Every circle is a group. Right, so this is a group. That's one group. That's a group. That's 2 groups. And that's a group, which means it's 3 groups. So 3 groups of 2. Let's look at another one. And we're going to put in the circles. Now, what does it say? It says 3 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to 9. Good. So there are 3 groups of 3. 3 groups of 3, meaning 1 group, 2 groups, 3 groups. 3 groups of 3. Let's look at one more. Okay. We've got 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. And the sum is 5 groups of 1. So if your teacher says she wants 5 groups of 1, that 5 group means 5 little circles. And inside each circle there must be 1. Watch. 2, 3, 4, 5. There's your 5 groups of 1. Let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the sum is 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. And the group sum is 4 groups of 2. Which means you must have 4 groups, 4 little circles of 2. So let's see. Got 1, 2, 3, 4 little circles of 2. So it says 4 groups of 2. Do we have 4 groups? We've got 1 group, 2 groups, 3 groups, 4 groups. And there's 2 inside, so it's 4 groups of 2. And we've got another one. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the sum is 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. And it wants me to say that I must have 2 groups of 3. 2 groups means how many circles? 2 circles. 1 circle, 2 circles. 2 groups of 3 is equal to 6. Looks like I have another one. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Can you tell me what that plus sum is? It's 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 10. What would the group sum be? 5 groups of 2. Let's see. 5 groups means I must have 5 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 groups of 2 is equal to 10. Right, so if we look at this one, I'm going to ask you what is the sum, and then I'm going to ask you what is the group sum. So let's take a look quickly. Right. So what is the sum? The sum is 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. Do you know what the answer is? Let's count in twos. 2, 4, 6, 8. So the sum is 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 8. Do you know what the group sum is? How many groups are there, girls and boys? The group is a circle. There are 4 groups of 2. And 4 groups of 2 is equal to 8. Right. 4 groups of 2. Let's go to the next one. Right, again. What is the sum? Just the plus sum. 3 plus 3 plus 3. Right. So that's the plus sum. What is the answer? 9. What is the group sum? How many groups are there? There are 3 groups of 3. And 3 groups of 3 is equal to 9. Right. Shoo, that was quite a lot to learn for one day, but we'll do some more in our next lesson. Boys and girls, if you want to see some more on repeated addition, please go to the following website. I hope you learned something nice today. Till next time, boys and girls, goodbye.